Help Maggie. This is a Maggie. Wait. This is Maggie's. That one's Enrique's. Well, these one right here. This one. This one's mine.
Oh, what is that?
Uh-huh.
Do I have another one?
Yeah, I think so. You have this one. This is from Santa.
Wow.
Oh, hey Maggie, this is Enrique.
Look, Play-Doh. Wow.
Hey Sebastian.
Look.
That one's yours right there.
This one more.
And that's it.
I need one more.
I don't know if there's any more S's. Hey Sebastian, please don't hang on the gate, kiddo. Come on.
Can I get the one?
Yeah. Can you get the what? The ones that are already open? Yeah, go get them. Oh, did she? He's like, it's okay. Cool.
Open.
Cool. Do you like your toy?
Yeah. Open.
Fine. You want your helper?
Open. Wow. Yes, ready. Open.
What is that, Maggie? Oh, good job.
Wow, what is that? Bubble? Is that bubble? Yeah, open. Open. Okay, I'll help you.
And let her push on it.
Bubbles, open.
No.
Open.